Hey guys, today we're going to make broccoli nori salad, so give it a pause and check out the ingredients. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up that broccoli. We're just going to take kind of all the top of the crowns off of each of them. And then if you like the stems, you can chop that up into smaller bits as well. But what you're going to want to do is just slice just underneath the crown part. And so you can make little bite-sized pieces very easily. If they come off in big chunks, you can then go in and cut those up into smaller pieces as well. So you want things that'll fit right in your mouth. Then you're going to take the red cabbage and you're going to slice it very thinly. Make sure you protect your fingers. Slice it quite thinly, or if you have a mandolin, not the kind you play, but the kind you slice. And then you're going to take the nori, which is just dried seaweed. You're going to slice it with, you can use a knife. The other thing that you could do is if you find that you have a pizza cutter that you don't use anymore, because you used to eat pizza and now you don't, you can actually use a pizza cutter and slice up. You put a lot of pressure on and you just roll it, and it's very good at cutting through this nori sheet. So you can stack them or just do one at a time, and then you just pull it apart right along the line that you created. So cut that all up, 2 sheets, throw that in there. You can use Paleo Mayo. I just have some mayo from the store. It's not particularly different. The oil is probably not as good, but like I said in the last video, sometimes you just do what's easy. Next you do some rice vinegar, probably about 1/4 cup. I just kind of drizzled some in until I felt like it was about enough for the amount that I was making. It adds a nice tang to the food. Next, some salt, a couple big pinches, probably about 1/2 tablespoon. A few good grinds of pepper. Some garlic powder. Mix it all up. Now, the recipe actually calls for mint and onion. My wife and kid don't really like either of those things, so I left it out, but please feel free to throw that in there. And you can also add some sesame seeds at the end to garnish it all up. So just mix it all up until everything's kind of covered with the mayo and the vinegar. And there you have it, broccoli nori salad. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Go ahead and subscribe this video, and check me out on Facebook and Twitter. It's Primal Meal Plan. Thanks.